Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use check disk space action. This function can be very useful for disk space monitoring. For example, if you have excessive login, you may suddenly run out of disk space, and we obviously want to prevent this situation from happening. So let's me show you the action parameters. So we have a drive to check. This case it is C, and we have minimum disk space. In this case it is 100 megabytes. And if we run it, no email is sent because the disk space is more than 100 megabytes. It is nearly 900 gigabytes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you as usual. Thank you, bye.